Bilal Mohanty, the Director, Dr. Prashant Nag, Principal, Mr. Jivan Kishore Krishna, esteemed faculty members, all the students of this esteemed institution, and media friends. It's indeed a matter of great delight for me to be here today. It's a pleasure and privilege to be part of this esteemed, good institution. I was given to understand that this institution has been rendering yeoman service in the field of education for the past so many years. For the past 22 years. I mean, this is indeed worth appreciation, extremely commendable, and I have lots of words of praise for the chairman and the faculty members. I am given to understand that the principal and some of the faculty members have been there for more than 2 decades nurturing this great institution. The best part is that I have been here for umpteen number of years in Bhubaneswar and Orissa, but I didn't ever know that this institution is the first residential institution in the field of science and technology in Orissa. So this is indeed commendable. I am elated to give away the prizes and the certificates of recognition to the children. I am sure those who are going into need will definitely do very well in the days to come. The children who have scored more than 90% have also been awarded with 50,000 worth cash prize. They deserve highest commendation. Friends, I can only say that if you ask me what is the most important work, what is the most important nation-building activity, I will immediately tell you that those 45 minutes or 50 minutes when a teacher teaches his or her students in the classroom in one period is the biggest national building activity. You have to read. Now what is this? Did I tell you? I am not saying you should be reading your subject books. Read whatever you want to. It is fiction, it is non-fiction, but you must read because you have to widen your horizon. You have to develop a world view. When you go to an interview in the days to come, your mark sheets may not be seen. It will be the test of your personality, whether you have world view, whether you have developed a big horizon, whether you will be able to interact with the world, in the right manner. When I went for my IAS interview, I thought I would leave immediately because I had first class first in all the examinations. I was an English literature student. Right from nursery till graduation, I have never stood second in my life. So I have all mark sheets with me. I thought in the IAS they would look at my mark sheets and they would say, oh, go to IAS. But I was amazed. They did not even look at my mark sheets. They held an interview of more than 15 minutes and they asked all kinds of questions. And at the end of the interview, when I came out of the interview hall, I felt as though they were examining the quality of my personality. And that's how it was. And I was very lucky, by the grace of God, I did the IAS in the very first attempt. Friends, I will share with you a very interesting incident which happened there in that interview. They looked at my profile. If you go to an interview, obviously your profile will be there at the table before the chair. They looked at my profile and they saw that I was a debater. And believe me, they gave me a topic on which I had to speak immediately, instantly, for 5 minutes. Imagine the situation. Suddenly I called one of you and I will ask you to give a topic and say speak. And that's the interview. How will you react? I thought I was being cornered by the interview takers. Can you guess what kind of subject that they gave me? They asked me to speak on a very interesting subject. And within 30 seconds, I had to think about that subject. And I had to speak for 5 minutes. Imagine the kind of pressure that I had. The subject was, fried eggs are better than omelets. Can you imagine? Why am I saying all this? You have to develop a worldview. You have to have a broader horizon. You have to think through. You have to read about. Yesterday, I'm very busy these days. You know, in politics, there is no vacancy, no space for yourself. But yesterday I got a book. You can see it in my vehicle right now. It is Marcus Aurelius' Meditations. Meditations by Marcus Aurelius, the great emperor. What am I trying to tell you is please find time to read, build yourself, build your personality, be a holistic personality. संपूर्ण व्यक्तित्व विकास ताहले ही आपने आपको जान पाएंगे नंबर आएगा गोटे पार्ट अच्छी गोटे अंश अच्छी जीवन नंबर आएगा बहुत महत्वपूर्ण जो मैंने बहुत मार्क्स आने जो मैंने नीट क्वालिफाई करने को बहुत बड़ी बहुत बड़ा कथा बहुत बड़ा उपलब्धि किंतु संपूर्ण नुहे हमको परिपूर्ण व्यक्तित्व के बारे में और सेटिफाई पढ़िबा पड़िबो जोटा आपको आसुची पढ़तो आगे चिंता करतो मैंने कौन गलती करे आप माने तो समस्त बहुत भलो पाठ पढ़थिले मां बापा आपको एठी पढ़ी छथि आपन मस्ट बी एन एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन or on the basis of your marks that come here, you all must be very bright. And number 2, of course, I request you to dream big. Develop a very holistic personality. Have a very large horizon. Develop a worldview. You should know how to react to situations. You should know how to interact with different kinds of people. Now that I'm in politics, I must tell you, emotional quotient is sometimes much more required than IQ. You know the difference between EQ and IQ? I'm sure you must be knowing. Emotional quotient is much more required sometimes in politics than intelligent quotient. हमको समस्त ଆମେ interact କରିବା, କେମିତି କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା କରିବା, କେମିତି ସମ୍ବନ୍ଧ ସ୍ଥାପିତ କରିବା, ଏଇଟା ବି ଗୋଟେ କଳା ଅଛି, ଯୋଉଟା ଶିଖିବା ଅଛି, ଏଇଟା ପଢିଲେ ଆସିବ, ବୁଝିଲେ ଆସିବ, କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା କଲେ ଆସିବ, ବାଦ ବିବାଦ ପ୍ରତିଯୋଗିତାରେ, ଭାଷଣ ପ୍ରତିଯୋଗିତାରେ ଭାଗ ନେଲେ ଆସିବ। We have to interact with the world around us. This is very important. ଆମେ କୋକିଶ ହବା ନାହିଁ। ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରିବି, ମୁଁ ନିଜର ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ବି କହୁଛି, please don't be bookish. I don't want 100 out of 100. You may be 80, but I want a holistic person. परिपूर्ण व्यक्तित्व तैयारी କରନ୍ତୁ। ଏଇଟା ସମ୍ପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଯେତେ ଟିଚର୍ସ ଅଛନ୍ତି, ଯେତେକି ମା ବାପା ଅଛନ୍ତି, ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ମୋର ଅନୁରୋଧ କରେ, ପିଲାମାନେ କେମିତି ପରିପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ବ୍ୟକ୍ତିତ୍ୱ ହେବେ ଯାଉଥିଲେ ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦେବାର ଅଛି। ଦ୍ୱିତୀୟ କଥା ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ କହିଲି, ଡ୍ରିମ୍ ବିଗ୍, ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ ସ୍ୱପ୍ନ ଦେଖିବାର ଅଛି। ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ବହୁତ ପ୍ରତିଭା ଅଛି। I come from a very small college. Very small college. It was a girls' college. At that time, maybe in 1990, we were not allowed. It was such a conservative atmosphere in Bihar that was not allowed to go to co-ed institutions. I did my graduation in a girls' college, very ordinary college. But I can only tell all of you that the desire to excel, the desire to stand in the crowd, the desire to do something big was always there. So we have to dream big. आप समझते बड़ा बड़ा स्वप्न देखना तो हम वो ये चीज़ को करना चाहिए हो। Very emphatically I would like to say this, that to dream small is the biggest crime that you can commit. At your age, never dream small. जो काम करो, जो भी कीजिए, बड़ा बड़ा स्वप्न देखना तो वो सबोड़े को है, जे पेंटर अच्छे, वो पेंट करोची से डिजाइन करता है, जिसे Michelangelo and Picasso. He has to be Michelangelo and Picasso. If somebody is good in science, I'm sure you must be aspire to become Isaac Newton or Archimedes, not less than that. If you are a football player, you should want to become Pele. So that's the kind of dreams that one should nurture, one should have. You have everything in life. You are the best of institutions, you have the best of faculty, you have the best of environment. You have a very, I would say, very positive environment around you. So I think there is nothing, no restriction as far as your path to success is concerned. So you must learn to grow, dream big, and go higher and higher in life. And number 3, my dear young friends, one has to persevere, one has to really perspire. And स्वप्न देखने वाले हमको बहुत कठिन परिश्रम करना पड़ता है। आज जब वो चिट्ठियाँ थी, I think it's 95% perspiration. Very hard. Even in politics, you need to put in very hard work. It's not simple. I remember when I decided to, these are all pages from my life's book. I'm sharing with you with all humility so that you learn from these. When I decided to sit for the IAS examination, when my parents asked me to sit for it, they gave me 1 year. They told me just 1 year given to you, whatever you want to do, just do it 1 year. Otherwise, they're getting married. It was a very conservative family in Bihar, my parents' family. They gave me 1 year, and the day they gave me that 1 year, my dear young friends, for 365 days I remember, I did not see the sunrise and the sunset. I was cooped up in the room, slogging, studying hard, cracking problems. तापरे IAS में, वर्तमान राजनीति रे लोग आपसे में बहुत ताली मिलुची, बहुत जिंदाबाद मिलुची की बोलो मारा. Behind that, there is very hard. If you have to excel in any field, whether it is politics, whether it is administration or any other sector, one has to really dream big Dr. John, I'm very fond of your chairman. I have been knowing him for quite some time. He has been doing a commendable job. 384 students are here. I'm sure this number will increase in the days to come because the faculty is very good. I extend my best wishes to this Royal College of Science and Technology. Let it grow by leaps and bounds, and I'm always there as a member of Parliament or as in any other role to be supporting this institution in the days to come. My best wishes. Before I conclude, I can only say that time is limited. We don't have time. आज ही नहीं खाली करवा, खाली नहीं कोर्डिनेट करवा, चिंता करवा, मैडम आसले साथी करेंगे कि खाली की चिंता करके पाठ पढ़ेगा. We have no time in hand. Read a poem, A Psalm of Life by H.W. Longfellow. 4 lines. Art is long and time is fleeting, and our hearts grow stout and brave. Still like muffled drums are beating funeral marches to the grave. We are moving towards our grave. There is no time in hand. Time is limited, and within this limited time, you have to be the best. And for being best, you have to try hard. And for being best, you have to really develop a worldview, and for developing that worldview, you have to read a lot. And for that matter, you have to develop a holistic personality. So, I extend my best wishes to each one of you. I will always be supporting this institution wherever I am.